can see you going up. Make
I need to change my hair. But look at my hair. My hair changed.
Wow, you're so pretty.
And I need to change my mouth.
Oh no! What about us? We are a boy.
Oh, so bad.
We're a boy, so what are we gonna do?
You have to get a mermaid.
Oh, this one, boy.
Oh my god, I'm a mermaid. Papa, look at me. I'm a mermaid.
Wow, you're a mermaid. There's a mermaid, mama. There's mermaid, Mick.
I am sick. Can get mermaid. The mermaid what I'm a is find the mermaids. Cause you have to get the mermaid and walk into it. Yeah, I walk to it, Mona. Find the mermaids. Say wow. Wow. Yes? What? Did you say no? I don't know. You just find out. There's no sprinting because just find the mermaid. Papa. Oh no! He said D. Papa said D. 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 Day. Hello, my friend. I'm glad to see me. Oh, me too. Hello. Hello, Papa. You can get the mermaid! Yay!
Oh.
You need to change your mind. Let's touch this.
Touch this. What else?
Go down.
Go down.
Yeah.
This one I don't like. There's no other one.
But Papa, look at this. You have a magic lipstick.
Okay, so I will need to find the mermaid and then I will morph into it. Hi, Mick. Where did you, Mick, where did you find that? Let's check this ocean, Mick. Come on. Oh, I'm such a cool mermaid. Come on, Mick. Oh, let's wait for Kuya Maui. Where's Kuya Maui? Kuya Maui, where are you?
Putting the vitamin C. What is vitamin C too?
Where's Kuya? Mick. Come on, let's go down. Hmm.
Oh no! Because he wants, the dog wants to drink it. Because he thinks it's
Mick, come on. I have find a blue one. Did you find us? Come on, let's get it. Oh, a blue one. Hey, you go with us. There's a blue mermaid here. We found it. Where's Kuya?
Let's find
Apo, let's go to Kuya. Where's Kuya? Where are you? Where are you? Salon? Playground? You go to the water slide. Oh, yeah. Yes, water slide. Hey, guys. Let's follow Kuya Maui. Go. Lead us to the... Lead us. Saan tayo pupunta? Push to interact. Oh! Maui, I found a mermaid here.
It's small.
Oh, come here. I've also found a mermaid inside here. Ito, sa taas. Yan. Nakita nyo? Did you get it? Did you get it, Mick?
Yes.
No, you said interact. Yan, push to interact. You get it?
How about this?
Oh, isa-isa lang, isa-isa. Nasaan ka ba? Nasaan yan? Okay. Where? First, go here. Yes, I can see it. Where are we gonna go? Mick, come with us.
I found a small rock.
Come on. Push to interact. Okay. Oh, come on, Mick. Where are you now? It's a woody.
On me.
Where is the pomni?
This one. And there's two of them.
Come on, let's go up.
To change it.
Here. Click this. You wanna go with us, Mick? Come here. Where are you?
There.
Ooh, what's that?
Papa clicked this yesterday.
Ah, you find this yesterday?
Yes. Papa, I don't know. I cannot find you.
You cannot find me? Go to the showers. Showers, guys. Go to the showers.
Showers?
Yes, showers.
Showers.
Hi, Mick.
Hi. Wow, I'm gonna get the bathtub.
Oh, may shower pa pala dito. It's okay. He's not saying something. Maybe he just want to find some mermaids. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's come up. Hey, you're getting lost again. I am climbing up.
One, the blue one? This one?
Yes, the ladder.
Hello, Mom. I am
I
not.
can see you going up. Mick, you fell down.
I just jumped because I wanted to
Don't
say
jump.
hi.
Don't jump.
Hi.
Okay, go inside.
Just
Inside?
no.
I don't know. This doesn't have a mermaid. Let's go down. Let's go here. There are mermaid here. It's okay. That's why he's your friend. Oh,
Papa, I got in the red slot.
there's a hole here. Guys, there's a hole. This one. This hole. Hop. I'm going to a hole. Oh. Oh! I found the Squid Game mermaid. Okay. I will go up. Wala nang piatos. Ha? Ah, nandito. Ano pangalan? Andito ako. Asan si Riley? Wala pa siya dito. Mick, where are you? Hey! Come back! Come back, Mick! Doon sa baba, nandun yung Squid Game. Nasa ka na ko? Nasaan na si Mick? Uy, dito ka na.
Okay, guys.
The Squid Game.
You did
Sorry. That's Boss Carla. You know?
click boss.
Mama! Click the boss! I cannot. Roblox. Okay. Where am I?
Papa, I want this one.
Ayun nga, kukunin mo yung Squid Game, di ba?
This one. Down. Oh, that's a rock. Okay. Where?
Ayan. You go inside that hole. Moe, are you here? Here. I'm gonna jump so you can see me. Go inside the hole, Mick. There's a squid mermaid. Oh, go down. This one, this hole. Come on, go inside. Go inside, guys. Go inside. Mick, what are you doing? You're just spinning and spinning. You wanna help?
I'm drinking the sun.
What?
You
Wait
still
lang. Okay. Okay, let's morph. Oh, come on, let's morph. Let's morph to come on, guys. Let's morph to a Squid Game. Where's Mick? This one. Morph, Mick.
My shirt.
Ito, morph. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh, labas ka na dyan. Let's find the other mermaid.
Can I change my face?
Okay, you
It's gonna
change your
be
face.
moved.
Teleport to the salon. Magpapalit lang daw.
Hello?
Salon, yes. Change your face. I think you cannot change your face when you are in the Squidward.
Don't say open.
I'm sorry, Squid Game. Squid Game guard.
Change my hair. No.
Okay, come on.
You're Lawrence 21?
Yes, I am Lawrence 21.
How can I get?
Saan na tayo?
I want to go shower.
Water slide?
And then go
And
shower.
then,
Papa, how can I find the?
nasa ka ba?
Papa, go.
Bumalik ka muna sa shower. Sa water slide para magkita tayo.
Where's the water slide?
Ayan. Water slides.
Water slide. I need to go there. Papa, I want to go to the blue one.
Ayun nga, oh. Nasaan na si Kuya? Mag-teleport ka muna dito para makita mo kami. Let's wait for Kuya. Here? Eh,
Boy, don't laugh. I'm trying to
don't laugh at me.
I'm trying to find.
What do you want to try to find?
Turn
Okay.
there. I want to find the mermaid that's stuck in there.
Saan ba?
The red one. The
Dito sa red?
slide.
I need to go to the red slide.
Papa, cannot go. The green light, Papa.
Ako?
Yes.
You want me to be a mermaid?
No. Papa.
Oh, I see you now. I already get that.
I get it too.
Okay, I will pilot your mermaid. Dito kayo. Ipunta mo si Mikmik doon. Okay, here's the pilot. Wala pang check. I need you. Oh, nakuha na ha. How about Mikmik? Did you get this already?
I didn't I sit here. No, no,
Can I sit there?
okay.
I just get some tubig. Okay. Ha? Nakita na ba namin si ano? Nakita na namin si Riley. Nasaan na si Riley?
Change my hair.
Guys, I think we need to find some more. Why did you fall?
Can you?
Which one?
I
Where?
cannot get it.
Asan ba? Sa ilalim? Ano ba yun? Alin dito? Sa slide? Sa slide? You didn't get it? Okay, okay. No need to cry. You said Papa help only. O, ayan, o. Gigit mo lang. Oh, you get it already? Make, come here. Let's find another mermaid. Another one. Another one. Oh, come on, Mick. Come here.
Oh no.
Here.
This is the weird.
Come on, go down, go down. There's a Nemo. There's a big Nemo here. Oh, Mick, I found another one. Inside the clam, there's a mermaid here. Did you get it? Did you get it? Yes, it's close. What are we gonna do? The clam. Kuya, where are you? Oh, it's going to open? I thought we're gonna be here forever. Okay, get it, fast, or it's gonna close. Did you get it, Kuya? Okay, come on, let's find another mermaid. We have so many mermaids to find.
Was close.
Uh, hey, swim with us, Mick.
Was close.
Yes, come on. Swim with us. Swim. Yeah. You're a slowpoke? It's okay. Is this a dead end? Or there are... Is this a dead end? Oh! There's a TNT here, guys! Come on! At the top! You need to go top. And there's a big rock here. I think if we detonate this rock, we can find some mermaid inside. Where are you guys? Go, jump. Jump, guys. You can do it. TNT tower. Okay. Did you blow it already? Whoa! What's that? Oh no, it's the china 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 coconut china china china
How did you find
china.
it?
They're inside. Go, blow it. Go inside. Get it. Okay, come on, let's change to the coconut china china
I
china
didn't
china.
change my face.
Okay, where's Kuya
I
Maui?
wanna be girl.
Hey, Mick, where did you go?
I just go back to her.
Oh, you teleport at the top.
Yes!
Okay, come on here. Coconut.
Switch my
Yeah.
face.
Okay. Hey, guys! I see a mermaid here. I see Mick. Ah, nakuha mo na to na nasa office ako? Mick, we get this.
Papa did it.
What do you want?
I teleport to here because I teleported my face. I don't know.
Ah, you
I
don't
don't
know?
know.
Maybe water slides.
Maybe I don't know. I want the small one.
Ah,
I want the small one. Please, I'm gonna be galit.
yeah, that's the shower.
If we
Wait lang.
teleport here, we teleport here.
Pag nag-teleport ka dyan, same lang yan. Nasaan na ba ako? Ah, saglit lang at si Mick pupunta rin dyan, kukunin yan. Are you sure? Alin ba yan dyan? Ito ba yan? This one? I think you get it already, Mick. Let's teleport, kuya. Showers. Teleport to showers, guys. Let's regroup. Okay. Come on. Follow me. Stop showering, guys. Oh, let's try this one. Come here. You need some friends to get this. You need to step on this. Come here. Hey guys, what are you doing? Why is that crying? Destroy. Oh. I'm sorry, Jerry. I'm sorry. Let's run. His papa will come. You will be galit. Oh, guys, come here, Mick. Did you get it? Get it. Go.
Okay, I broke the Santa toy.
Come on, Mick. Kuya, akyat. Ikaw muna. Oh, akyat. Mick, akyat. Akyat, Mick. There's a mermaid sa taas. Okay. Don't. I can see you. I think. Hey! I think Kuya just make the ladder invisible. I fell down. Oh, guys. Ilan na lang? Dami pa. How about this? Guys, there's a hole here. Is this a hole? What's this? Guys, there's a hole. Guys, there's a hole. I'm climbing up. Hey guys, did you go with me? Hey, did you go with me? Mick, go inside.
We're in the squid.
You're in the Squid Game? Okay, wait. I'm coming. I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, okay, wait, wait. Here we go. I'm sliding now. Where are you, kuya? Is this you? Why did you stop? I think you're stuck because you morph into... Can you morph? Can you move now? Oh, I'm a pro. Okay, I'm stuck again. I guess swimming here is so dangerous. Mick, Mick, come on. Hey, hey, did you get this, kuya? Tumalon ka na dito, Mick, Mick. Did you jump here already? Come here, jump. Nasaan na ka? Nasaan ka na? Yan, jump dyan. Jump. Ito. Mick, oh. The prisoner. Oh, it's a bumblebee. You change. You morph into a bumblebee also.
No! My face will be gone. No, no, my face.
No, your face will not be gone. Only the Squid Game guard.
I'm gonna go there because my...
Wait, let's go to the elevator. Kuya, are you coming back here?
Oh, no.
I'll wait for you. I cannot go back. Kogi.
Tata, can you go in there? In the tunnel.
Wait lang, Kuya is not getting this one. So let Kuya get this first.
Just jumping.
Now go.
Oh, I see somebody. Maybe he wants to get more.
Isip ba to?
I think he knows you are just laying there, and then Mo is just laying there. I think a pizza. That's the
Yatos.
it's a looks like pizza.
Yes. Where's Kuya?
Hey, Papa.
Hi, Kuya Moe.
Happy, look, you look.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Yeah, welcome to Mermaid Water Park.
Well, welcome to mermaids.
Where are we going now? Let's teleport to the playground, guys. Teleport to the playground. Where are you guys? Playground. Teleport me.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay, guys.
Can you wait?
Okay, ano ba yan? Nagpapasalon pa daw si Mick.
Okay.
Talon. Playground. Go to the playground. Okay, okay, let's go. Tapos na daw yung pasalon niya. We just want to find... Okay, let's go to the underwater. Underwater. Can you find some mermaids here? We're at the bottom. Bottom. Follow the bumblebee. Follow the bumblebee.
And I would say, I'm gonna destroy you. I'm not gonna kill you. I'll say I love you. I love you in the series.
What kind of song is that, Mick Mick? Yeah.
This is that loving bumblebee. That's that. Ganyan. Ganyan.
Wait lang.
I jump. Stop.
Hoy, hoy, ang daming papa ha. Ano? About this waterfall? Is this I think oh, it's not like the Blippi. The Blippi has a mermaid inside the waterfall, right? Yes, in the find the Blippi. Yes.
My dad over the school.
Oo. Saan pa hindi natin napupuntahan? How about this pink? How about this pink one? We're going to be boring, but we will still have so many to find.
Yeah. Papa, it's not closing. Look, it's still
Oh,
open there.
you open. I think we need to open all of those lockers. And they will be hiding somewhere. Open. These lockers. Lockers. Open.
Papa, I cannot see the lockers.
Open. Up. Wala. Other lockers. Open. Huwag kasi kayong pumasok. Ano ba yan? Ay! Makakita na ako ng alien! Come on, guys! I think this is from the Toy Story. Yes, the alien from Toy Story. Go! Moe, where are you? Where are you? You morph! Nasaan na si Kuya?
Take my bag.
Oh, this one. What's this? Why is there a blue one? What's this? You found it? Good job. Let's be an alien, guys. What do you want?
Papa, I'm going to this one, but I did it. Papa, I can't find you.
What's this? What's this team? Okay, let's go up. Ito, si Mikmik, oh. Come here, sa top. Dito, sa likod. Can you see me? Usog.
I think I'm blind.
Yes, you are. Ayun, Lawrence 21. Come here. Let's go at the top.
Do it so.
Let's go at the top, guys. Be careful, guys. Oh, I think did we go here already? Try the pink slide. Oh, there you go. I don't want to slide. Let me out. Here you go. In the pink slide. Opo, si Mikmik muna. Let's wait for Mikmik. So there will be no crying babies. Go, get it.
Ow! That hurts!
Okay, Mik. Yes, come on, let's go. Hi, Mikmik. Good job getting that. Anong banda server ka dyan? How about that? How about there? I think we're gonna go there. Come here, mermaid mermaid.
I'm not blind, but I
Mermaid water park. Come here, guys. Think we can find some mermaid here. Why? Is this an OB? Nasaan si Kuya? Oh, yan na. Jump. Come here, guys. What if I transform into tao?
I cannot. I can't get
Yes. We need to turn to into tao.
that. Oh, what is this?
Why I can do it? Need to be a Mick. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, Kuya, jump. I can see. Kuya fell. Oh, how about you? Can you do it? Ah. Nahulog ka, Mick? Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Ako muna. Oh, ayan na, nakuha ko na. It's a Barbie. Do you want that?
Look at this. That's so cool.
3 hours later.
Oh, Kuya, get it. Huwag kang malaglag ha. Pag nalaglag yan, we're gonna do it again. Okay, man, guys. Let's transform in 3, 2, 1, jump. Jump. Oh, come on, let's go. Here, Mig, where are you? Oh, you're gonna step on it.
No!
Mig. Okay, I will get inside. There's a purple. Can you open, Kuya? And then we will let you get inside. Open, please. Okay. Go. Did you get it? Oh, labas na, labas. Oh, let's transform. Oh no, I'm a Willis Towers Watson. This is Mama's work. Oh! I can see a mermaid in the rock. How can you get that? Can you see it, guys? Who's that? Your friend is adding me, Kuya. Who's that? Ayan. Ano daw? Ano bang game ka? What's the name of this game, Moe?
Water park.
Mermaid Water Park.
Mermaid water park.
Did you get it, Mick? Hey, you haven't get this yet. Why did you go away?
Because I teleport because my face can
Become
like that.
become purple?
No!
You don't want the purple?
Like that.
Ano ba yan?
Papa, look at me.
Okay.
Like that only.
Nasaan na ba yan? Where is Mick? Where is Mick? Why don't like the... Don't get away first, okay? Meron ba sa ilalim, Kuya? Sa ilalim po. Oh, Mick, get it. Jump here. Mick, jump. Ayan, yun. Dito, ayan. Jump. Go. Did you get it?
But I press this one and I sneak.
Okay. Which one? Ayun na nga yun eh. Hinintay lang natin si Mick.
There was water slide.
Saan yung water slide?
We teleport.
Water slide. Teleport daw. Ano yun? What the last did I say? Taas?
Water slide. But I'm gonna meet you one.
Opo, wait lang. Nandyan na. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Nakuha na natin yung mga ano dyan eh. Diba nakuha na natin yung nandito? Tsaka yung nandito. How about that? What's that?
Wow.
Come here guys. Go to the salon, guys. Salon.
Can you change your hair?
I don't wanna. Oh, come here. Come here with Papa. Come here.
I want this one. I want to
Aray ko.
turn to this one. Salon. Yes, salon. Yeah!
Bakit gusto mong ganun yung itsura ni Papa? I find that already. This one, Mick?
I want to turn to
This one?
maybe you're that.
This one. Okay na. Come on. Let's go.
Your hair looks so nice.
I want to be like this.
Can you change your face like that?
This one?
Yes.
But is that for a girl? Can I be a galit?
No!
What do you want?
Happy.
Happy lang?
Okay.
This one.
Angel, Papa.
How about a cool? Come on, Mick. Come on.
Papa,
Kuya, where are you?
can you turn?
Punta ka na dito. Hindi pa natin ito napupuntahan. Kuya, nasa ka na? Dito. Sa ABC.
I don't know. I don't know. Let's try it.
Oo, mag-try ka na.
But no, I don't hear. Yep.
Oh, wait lang, si Mikmik kasi. Hey, wait! Why did you jump already? You wait for us. Because you jumped too early. So, Mikmik, you jump at A. I will jump at C. Because Kuya jump at B. Did you get a mermaid, Mikmik? What happened? You just go back to the salon. There's no mermaid in that.
Oh no, that I can't see.
Ah. Which one? Where? Mermaid, where are you? Oh! I can see here at the tree. At the top of the salon. Guys, can you see me?
Papa,
Yan o, dito sa taas. Yan. Owie, can you see me? Here. You can do it. Oh. Ito. Ito sa may bato.
Papa, you get it already.
Nakuha ko na ba yan? Go to the salon.
I'm gonna wait.
Hmm. Saan na tayo pupunta?
Where are you? Where are you? That's Molly!
That's Kuya Mo's friend. Ano ba yun? Ay, umiiyak ka na.
Papa, let's get run.
Nasaan ba? Why? I'm here, oh. Hi, Mick Mick. I'm in the... I get it. Here? That you? What? Yeah, Princess Peach Moe. Ah. How about the fountain? I didn't leave you, ah. Hey, friend. Hey, YNZ.
I need to change myself. I'll be adding.
Wait lang. Hindi na malaman ni Papa. Ano ba to? Ang dami pa. Saan na tayo?
Papa, Papa, I want to go to the ducks.
Duck?
Can you say ducks?
Okay.